I wanted to share with you my really pretty hurricane jar, which is decorative mostly, but it's also very practical if you do have your candles outside and you want to protect them from that draft blowing them out. This is a perfect solution if you do like to do that. And these are also really nice things like centerpieces at weddings, just for your dining table, or if you've got a higher up shelf and you want a light on it using LEDs, it's a really good solution for that. So first of all, you can put a real candle in it. So this is just a real candle going in as it is there. You can put little pebbles down there and stones. Another one that's really nice as well is to get those very thin wired lights and then wire them around inside it and just put them in and then turn it on and it sort of glows up. That's really pretty little look. I've also got these LED candles as well, which are remote. And the way that I do it, I've got some sand here. Let me just pour my sand in my mug. I just like the look of this. It gives it like a little bit of a nice little look. You can get that from any sort of hobby store, or you know, pretty much anywhere, and really you can get a little bit of sand. And so what I do is I put in my little candle, give it a wiggle in to give it like a little bit of depth on there. And so you can do this with a real candle, or this one is my powered one. And then that just looks a really nice decor. So you can put it on a nice high up shelf because it's battery powered. It won't cause any damage to your walls. I just think it's a really pretty little look. So for your dining table, you could fill it up with, you know, those pretty little like, coloured balls, wooden ones, just to make a display, using it rather than candles if you didn't want to. So, or you could fill it up with little pebbles all around here, all around the outside. Anything you like really. And so if you're having a wedding and you're wanting to do your centerpiece, this would look absolutely adorable. So yeah, this is really, really nice. I really recommend it. It's given me lots of joy and I think it looks really, really smart as well. Thank you so much.